Hello, let's look at an example of the type of students make in learning mathematics. Do you make these mistakes learning math? Well, on your screen you see a problem and its solution. You're asked to graph y equal to 3 quarter x minus 1. Now, here are the solution steps in your textbook. Now, students make the following mistakes in learning math. They think that by underlining the text, for example, they think by underlining the text in the textbook that they're learning the mathematics involved, the principle involved, the solution step. Others might choose to highlight the solution and try to memorize the solution, but those approaches do not work effectively. Others might want to just go over repeatedly the problem, the solution steps. They'll go over this problem and they'll read it and go it over and over and try to cram it and so on. That technique doesn't work. It doesn't work. Cramming. Memorizing this problem, the solution to this problem here, memorizing this, many students think that they know the how to solve it. The thing to do is you need to understand the problem. They copy the problem, copy all of that, and so on. The thing to note is you need to understand the problem. What are the givens? What are the unknowns? Here is the solution to that, or the graph plotted for that, for this equation here, y equal to 3 quarter x minus 1. Now the thing to note is the m here, the gradient, is a change in y, the change in y let me use a different color ink. Let me use the change in y over the change in x. The y-intercept is the point, this point here, there. Now instead of using these techniques of underlining, highlighting, and going over repeatedly the problem, you need to use the techniques that top performers use. First, seek to understand the problem, what are the concepts, the principles, and so on, and we'll see an example of that in the next video.